had many things we couldn't do, I was still able to do so much. I was able to achieve starting my YouTube channel and even hitting 150 subscribers. What was your biggest achievement during 2020, even though it was really rough? You can tell me inside the comment sections below. I also had a very fun year. I got to watch a lot of YouTube and even start recording lots of my own videos. So inside this video, we're going to be going down memory lane and we're going to check out all the videos that were in the beginning and we're going to check them out. Hey, right now, this instant is the start of a brand new channel. Okay, it's going to be frozen. Okay, you're going to want to stay out of there.
You have to get hit by the lines, it'll slow you down. Actually, it'll freeze you.
Oh, we got a healer?
Yeah.
Oh shoot, no, I got frozen. Ooh.
Oh, he's almost dead. We can do this. Next round.
Okay, shoot. Dead?
Oh, never mind, I got him.
Ooh, I wonder what this does. Oh, my head kind of feels weird. World Zero just updated and we have a brand new update to show you, tips and tricks and information to show you. So today helping me is Foxy and John for Shadow. Now let's get right into the video. We will be finding out who is the imposter.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, who do you guys think is the imposter?
I don't know. It's probably one of us because
My role is innocent.
my role is imposter.
What?
Oh, no.
You're not supposed to just tell us straight out.
Sorry, you never look on cam.
That's what you call a bad imposter. What? Gosh. Okay, Oh wait, what happens if you put a cat inside of this? Oh wait, never mind, it doesn't cook. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I'm on fire, no. We have 100 subscribers. We have reached 100 subscribers and this is amazing. So, we've been growing our channel for 2 months and you guys have been sharing so much support and helping me along. To 100 subscribers, I'm so proud we finally did it and we are very happy. Woohoo! I can be hot or cold, I can be made with fruit, vegetable or meat, but either way you see it. On a Thanksgiving table, I will be a treat. What next? You're gonna wanna drop down, boom, and then that's how you can have your own subscribe button. Well, if you enjoyed this video, why don't you make sure you leave a like and subscribe if this helped you out. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video, Islands. One of the main things you do is get coins. But getting coins isn't that easy. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys tips and tricks on how I get tons of coins. 150 subscribers. And that means we need to do a special video. Well, since I have been asked that like other people, they also want to start their own YouTube channels and they just like don't know how to. So I'm going to be making some videos about how you can start your own YouTube channel. And the first step I'm going to show you today is going to be how I edit my videos, and also you can do the same. Should we go for this one? Should we go for the stack? Oh, it's so tempting. Should we? Oh, no, we're not going to go for it. They're going to report it. So recently, the Rage Blade was released, and it was the rarest item inside the game. How much damage does it do? Only 15 damage. Now, watch the wooden sword. 15 damage, the exact same. Making the wooden sword the rarest item inside the entire game. Okay, have finally achieved the cactus spike. Wait, what? It's only called this cactus spike. And some axes. Oh my gosh. Now we have like a huge crowd. Everyone's just like waiting for me to drop stuff. Okay, looking other stuff that I can drop. Oh yeah, let's drop some of this. Okay, so in this crowd, you know, I'm gonna just drop all my items. Next up is gonna be the polar bear. I've always wanted a neon polar bear. I know what the neon polar bear looks like. It looks blue, and blue is always my favorite color. What's your favorite color, Neon?
Probably dark magenta. That would look cool.
I don't know what color magenta is, but that sounds like a good color. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is.
Cool!
Aww. Wow, can you believe how far we've come in only 5 months? Well, I'm really excited for 2021 because we're going to be able to do so much. And if you're excited, get ready to watch the preview of a sneak peek of what we're going to be doing inside 2021. You'll also get an idea of what you can look forward to see inside my channel. Also, I hope you have a happy new year.